Here's a look at where things stand in our area. Today, the metro reported more than 2,000 new cases. A total of more than 76,000 cases have been reported since the start of the pandemic here. Kansas set another record for new cases. Today, it reported more than 6,800 new cases. The state now approaching 125,000 total cases this March. Kansas also reporting 10 more deaths. In Missouri, nearly 4,700 more cases reported today. Missouri has reported more than 250,000 COVID-19 cases since March.
And Kevin, you know, we don't just watch the cases. Another way to look at the state of COVID-19 is through the positivity rate. We've watched that spike along with those case numbers. 41 Action News I-Team reporter Andy Alcock explains the impact these cases are having.
So COVID is spiraling out of control in Kansas City right now.
Dr. Rex Archer's claim is backed up not just by the numbers in Kansas City, but throughout the metro area. In a 9-county area in the Kansas City region, which includes Leavenworth, Wyandotte, Johnson, and Miami counties in Kansas, and Jackson, Clay, Platte, Ray, and Cass counties in Missouri, this graph shows a skyrocketing positivity rate among people being tested. As of Sunday, that rate had climbed to 37.9% of tests being positive for COVID-19.
All of the things that we were worried that could be possible in March, April, and May are actually happening right now. And that should be very scary for all of us.
While the average daily and weekly cases in that 9-county metro area is down in the last week, so is the number of new tests. And troubling for healthcare providers, the number of new hospitalizations is on the rise.
We're starting to have to ration care from one group of patients to another group of patients.
University of Kansas doctors had their own charts showing the growing virus challenge. This big picture graphic showing new daily cases with the red line and new hospitalizations with the blue line clearly indicates an ongoing spike. This Midwest continues to suffer graphic shows coronavirus is not just a Kansas City problem, but a growing regional issue. With 861 cases per million residents, Middle America is moving towards triple the 317 per million cases in the East region last spring, when New York City was suffering its worst impact of the pandemic.
With cases in our area spiking again, University of Kansas doctors said Monday morning they expect the problem to get worse before it gets better. I'm investigator Andy Alcock, 41 Action News.